The Prodrive P25, a modern interpretation of the iconic Subaru Impreza World Rally car. Celebrating 25 years since the debut of the WRC 97, the Prodrive P25 reimagines the rally legend with cutting-edge technology and unparalleled performance. Under the hood lies a brand-new 2.5-liter Prodrive-built turbocharged four-cylinder boxer engine, producing a staggering 450 brake horsepower and torque 600 Newton-meters. This powerhouse is paired with a 6-speed sequential gearbox with helical cut gears and a semi-automatic shift via a single paddle on the steering column, ensuring precise gear changes in just 80 milliseconds. Stopping power was provided by AP racing brakes with 380mm vented discs and 6-piston calipers at the front and 350mm vented discs and 4-piston calipers at the rear with floating bells and multiple pad options. Prodrive GC012L 8.5x19 rims were fitted with Bridgestone Potenza Sport 235x35 R19 tires, which were selected during rigorous testing for their peak performance and durability. P25 will reach 60 miles per hour from rest in under 3 seconds. Lightweight bodywork, achieved by the extensive use of carbon composite, means the car weighs less than 1,200 kilograms. Manufacturing the boot, bonnet, roof, sills, door mirror housings, front and rear quarters, bumpers and WRC-style rear wing from carbon composite removed weight from the chassis. Interior. Optional lightweight race seats, carbon door cards, and a lightweight lithium-ion battery helped achieve the best possible power-to-weight ratio. WRC-style fly-off hydraulic handbrake, HD widescreen multi-page driver display, infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, data logging capability, Bluetooth charging ports, full electronic power management system.